However, if you're looking to write like extensive functionality, you have to, especially if you're saying, Joel, if you're looking at from the price point of view, you have to look at it from a different angle. Like typically, I don't know roughly, but all the plugins, single site license plugins usually vary between what, $49 up to $199 roughly on average. Those are the average prices. Like if you think, I don't know, like let's say 2FA, for example, because we've developed 2FA plugin ourselves and we know what it takes. If you think you are with your in-house developers, you can develop a 2FA solution for that, like I don't know, like $99. Then I would say go for it, but it's very difficult. Keep in mind as well, like especially if you are developing core functionality on the website, like 2FA activities, or even like e-commerce or SEO. As your website grows, as it evolves, you're going to add more plugins, you're going to add more functionality, other plugins. Every so often, there are WordPress updates, other plugins updates. So you need to make sure that your plugin is also compatible, is working well with all these updates. So it's not just about writing the plugin for your website and making sure that it works now at the current state of your website, but you need to maintain it as your website grows, changes, and evolves, and other plugins change, right, Joel?
Exactly.
I think that's one angle to look at it. I think there are more angles, right?
Yeah. So as you said, first of all, it's going to be next to impossible for anyone to build a plugin from scratch on their own for the same price as they would have paid to purchase the plugin.
Yeah.
And second of all, even once the plugin is done, you need to maintain it. So you need to test it first of all, make sure that from a performance point of view, it's performing as it should. From a security point of view, there are no security holes. As you update WordPress and the rest of the plugins and the theme, you need to retest it. And if some fault develops, you need to fix it, and it goes on and on and on. And if it's not your core area of expertise, it's going to be very difficult for you to continue to first of all develop and continue and maintain this plugin.
Exactly. Like I look at our research, we develop mostly security and user management plugins. When we started selling our plugins, the last thing I want to do is develop an e-commerce plugin that sells software. We might as well use a service or another plugin and pay for it than trying to develop your own system.